Hi guys, welcome back to Geeky Stuff. Today I have the Honor 10 Lite, a £200 smartphone, which is very similar to the Huawei P Smart. It's going to be very hard to tell them apart. This has the Kirin 710 chip. This version is 3 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. Color sapphire blue. Let's open it up. So mid-range to budget smartphone, I'd say. Honor 10 Lite. Feels light. Feels very similar to the Huawei P Smart. You get a case with this. The P Smart you didn't. You get a silicon case, manual, and a SIM tray ejector tool. Is it micro USB? Yeah, micro USB charging cable and charging block. Now, what you don't get in this is earphones. With the Huawei P Smart you do. Okay, I want to jump straight into this. Honor 10 Lite. It's got some sort of sticker at the front. 24 megapixel front facing camera. 3D curved rear design, smoother EMUI 9, mini notch display, so it's got the dewdrop and it's 6.2 inches. Same screen size as the Huawei P Smart. So let's take the back off. And again, another beauty. Look at it. Another beauty. It feels plastic. Now there is NFC on here as well, which is great for a budget to mid-range smartphone. Dual rear cameras, 13 and 2 megapixel sensor, fingerprint sensor, on a logo there. Let's peel this off. So the front-facing 24 megapixel camera with the dewdrop notch. Speakers, micro USB port, 3.5mm socket for earphones, headphones. It is a metal frame. Power button, volume rocker up and down. The top you have your SIM tray, which I believe you can have dual nano or 1 nano and 1 micro SD card. It's clear on that side. And there is a screen protector, so let's remove that. Okay, that's gone. You can just about, you can see the top there, the earpiece. At the top there, I don't think it's going to be a dual use as a speaker as such. But so there's the frame. A closer look there, you can just see the glass just sitting on top of that frame there, which I think this is the P Smart. Very similar. Okay, let's turn it on. Honor. Well, that's booting up. Let's compare the two rears of these phones. As you can see, very much identical. Both AI cameras and the little flashlight there at the top. The only difference really is the camera housing really. On the P Smart it's the full camera housing there. But on the Honor 10 Lite, separate sensors or separate camera lenses there. Still booting up. Okay, so we're at the setup part now. I'm going to set it up. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, back guys, all set up, and you cannot pick these apart. You cannot tell them apart at all. One's the Honor 10 Lite and one is the Huawei P Smart. I want you to guess which one you think is which. I mean, look at the bezel's the same, the dewdrop, the little earpiece as well. Obviously, wallpaper's different. Looks very much the same. You wouldn't tell them apart. Anyway, the one on the left is the Honor 10 Lite, and the one on the right is the Huawei P Smart. It's very identical. So if you're thinking about which two to get, it's probably going to be decided by design, in all honesty, and they all feel exactly the same. in terms of curvature around the edge there as well. Anyway, EMUI 9, Android 9 has NFC, which is enabled at the moment. You can hide the notch. That you can do on the other smartphone if you wish. All exactly the same. Sounds. Let's turn our sound settings on. I like the lock sound. Checking the fingerprint. That seems pretty quick. I think it's slightly quicker than the P Smart. Let's try face. I'll slide to open. I've done that again. The unlock. Here we go. Face. Direct unlock. There we go. Set that. So now I'm going to press the power button. It unlocks straight away. Cool. That's good. Let's have a test of the camera then. Just take a normal standard photo from the Honor 10 Lite. There you go. Let's switch to portrait mode. Let's have a look how it handles this. Let's switch to video. You can record up to 60 frames per second on the rear camera, 1080p. Let's do that now. Okay. So we're on the we're on the Honor 10 Lite, testing video mode, and we are under artificial lighting conditions. Let's see how decent this is in here, and also assessing the sound quality as well. Okay, let's switch to front facing camera. There we go. Beauty mode's off. It's in video mode. Let's do a standard photo. Okay. AI mode is on. At the bottom there's a little sort of house just above the photo. That's I can't remember what that says now. It is a certain AI mode, but it adds a little bit more vibrancy, I think, to the photo. So here we go. Mirror off. Portrait mode. That's not too bad. I've seen better edge detection, but it's not bad. Video mode, I think you can do 1080p. Yes, you can. Okay. Front facing camera on the Honor 10 Lite. What do you guys think? What do I think? I think it's not too bad. I think I've got a red ear as well. A bit warm. Yeah, quality guys, and audio quality. The microphone's down there. Doesn't look too bad. Alright. That was a quick look at the camera. Again, at the top of this one, there is a slight sort of shadowing there, you can see. But when you do open apps and stuff, you can see that shadowing disappears, which is a bit strange. Okay, some YouTube footage. As always, let's see what we've got. 360p, 1080p at 60 frames. Should be able to buffer that, hopefully. Let's have a look. Yeah, exactly the same as Huawei P Smart. You can see the beautiful little notch there at the top. Incredible screen for such a cheap device. Some people might not find £200 cheap, but it's on the very edge for cheap and mid-range. Look at that, pretty much just full screen. Look at it, beautiful. can't say you're not impressed by the screen. Really nice. One thing I do on these Huawei phones or Honor phones, because they have the annoying Swift keyboard, Swift key. I hate it. So I always download the Google keyboard. I think it's just what you're used to, really.
Opening keyboard.
Yeah, Google keyboard, much easier for me. It's what you're used to. I'm not saying the Swift keyboard is rubbish, because I'm sure there's great features on there and people use it quite easily enough. But for me, Google keyboard wins hands down. Simplicity and much easier to type and find what I need to find because I know where it is. Anyway, going a little bit off subject there. The Honor 10 Lite. Let's have a look at audio quickly again. Okay, so I'm expecting the same as the Huawei P Smart. Very loud. Yeah, so it's not dual speaker, just got the single loudspeaker at the bottom. Yeah, exactly like the Huawei P Smart. A very loud loudspeaker, but I've definitely heard clearer sounding loudspeakers. A slight bit of distortion in there, but it was whacked up right to the top. It's got all the apps there, which I don't like. You can't really delete any of them. You can't move them out of the way. It's stuck there unless you download a launcher, which I might do. Nova launcher or Google Now launcher. But you're pretty much stuck with that unless you do download a launcher. But overall, for £200, very, very good. Very good first impressions. I've been using the Huawei P Smart for nearly about 5 days now, so I'm expecting exactly the same in performance as well. And the cameras, both £200 phones, both have NFC, both exactly the same. Apart from slight design differences at the back. Very much fingerprint magnets. This is probably more of a fingerprint magnet than this, but they both look stunning. I do prefer the Huawei P Smart colour though. So this is very, very nice. Look at that. Okay, that is it, guys. That is the Honor 10 Lite. The quick unboxing and a quick look and a quick comparison with the Huawei P Smart. There are affiliate links in the description if you want to have a look at one and maybe purchase one. But until the next time, I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.